Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks Garage. I'm getting ready to move this. It's got a bunch of junk on it, but I noticed that I was having difficulty kind of getting it to move. And like any casters, if they're not pointing in the right direction, they're not going to really go where you want it to. So I realized this, and I found my little hammer here. It's just a rubber mallet type thing. And I can reach down here and knock that the direction I want it to go. And I've done it on all four of the casters on this thing. And we're going to see if hopefully it moves a little easier. I don't know if you can see where I'm at here, but I'm getting ready to push on this. Hopefully it moves the direction. Now it's moving definitely much easier. Biggest thing is I need to pay attention here. I need to go move the back ones so that they come more straight. I wanted it to come towards you a little bit as it is, but I'm actually about where I want to be to actually just straighten it out and bring it straight in here. So you need to do that at your own risk. These are just kind of plastic casters that these things have, and they got bearings in them, so knocking them around too hard, you could definitely probably mess that up. Something? Oh, I am hitting. Unfortunately, that is hitting right there on some stuff I have in front here. So, right now, this is where this thing is going to sit until I do some rearranging of some stuff. But as you can see, it is now sitting right pretty much where I want it. And I've moved it quite a bit out from where it was before to hopefully give me more room, was my theory. But technically, considering I no longer have my loft, I have lost a lot of storage space. So yet again, when I do my shop update, you'll be able to see what winds up happening. Until then, this was just kind of a quick video on how to move this. Really easy. It moved one-handed for the most part. Towards the end, when I was trying to push against that, I don't know why I wasn't paying more attention, because it got harder obviously. But regardless, there you go. Well, get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.